That's just my point of view. That's just my point of view. Yeah. Picture.
Hi guys, so this first look is super cozy and casual if you guys have a nice date to go on, Netflix and chill type of a thing. I've got a sweatshirt from Free People, and then I paired it with a crop top from Forever 21. These leggings are awesome. They're from the brand Lucy, and they're really thick, really nice quality, and just some nice sneakers from Puma, and a little bit of an 80s style with those cute little tube socks there. So I love this look. It's just awesome just to be snuggling around. This look is nice and French. You look like a cute little croissant in it. I've got a nice velvet blazer that I got from like Banana Republic, and then a Club Monoco turtleneck. It's very winter, very fun. Some tights are always a great choice when you just want to wear a skirt and look cute. Bless you. And then I'm wearing these boots from Akira. They got that dark Doc Martin vibe, and then this skirt from Zara. Altogether, I think this is just like a classy French vibe, city look kind of. This one is a great look for if you want to go out at night with your girlfriends. The skirt is from the Limited, I believe. It just fits really nicely. It's very classy. Of course, I had to throw in the Louis, and again, a nice turtleneck to throw it all together. These boots are bomb. The stitching on the back is really cute and really sexy, and I just think this is a really nice, fun look to go out with your girlfriends in. This next look is kind of like Mario vibes, whatever, Mario Kart vibes, Luigi, and it's really cute. I got those pants from Zara. I highly recommend you get yourself some really fun patterned pants or colored pants this season. They're really in, and off the shoulder shirts are super cute for winter. I feel like the shoulder is always a safe bet to show off in the winter time because it's not really going to get that cold. These Moto boots are so cute. They're from the brand Fergilicious, and I just feel like a badass in them. Highly recommend you get yourself a pair. Altogether, this look is just super chic. I'd wear this going out or just casual, going to a restaurant, or I don't know, you can really wear this anywhere. You can dress it up or down. I just think it was really nice. And this style is definitely me, I would say. All right, next up, this is kind of like an 80s vibe we got going on. Again, we're showing off the shoulder because it's an easy part that isn't going to get cold. We got the nice tights that are going to keep us warm. And then I cinched this oversized sweater with a nice patent leather belt because it's super in right now. And just to give it some shape, just because it's a giant sweater, I guess. And tights are always going to keep you warm. Those little ankle booties are really cute. I've been wearing the crap out of them, but I highly recommend you put some like weatherproof stuff. I got a couple salt stains on them, but the chunky heel lets me wear them all day long without getting sore in my feet and stuff. But yeah, I just think this is a nice look to go on a date and still stay warm in and look casual and cute. So I hope that you guys enjoyed these looks. I hope you found some inspiration. Let me know any outfits that you're wearing this season. I'd love to know in any of my social media at the end of this video and in the comments below.